There's a lot of talk around action cameras right now, especially with recent leaks hinting that DJI might be working on its first 360-degree camera, the Osmo 360. This has started excitement and maybe a bit of concern for GoPro, which has been a major player in this space. In response, rumors are swirling that GoPro is preparing to release their second-generation 360-degree camera, the GoPro Max 2. This has fans eagerly waiting to see which brand will step up as the leader in the 360-degree camera world. Known leaker Quadro News recently posted what appear to be early images of the Max 2 on the social media platform X. These photos suggest that the Max 2 might come with a completely new look. Some of the biggest changes could be its modular build and upgraded cooling features, both of which would address common issues with the original GoPro Max. One of the standout updates visible in the leaked images is the lens shape. Instead of the square or rectangular lenses seen on other GoPro models, the Max 2 keeps a rounded lens, much like the original GoPro Max. This choice could be intentional, as the rounded design might make it easier to capture the full 360-degree view essential for immersive footage. Another notable change is the new ribbed body of the Max 2, which is more than just a fresh look. This ribbed surface likely works as a cooling feature, helping to keep the camera from overheating, a problem that affected the original GoPro Max during long shoots or in hot conditions. This design tweak could make the Max 2 more reliable for users who want to film for extended periods, whether they're capturing action sports, travel adventures, or vlogs. Heat management is a big deal for action cameras since it directly affects their performance and durability. By preventing the camera from getting too hot, GoPro could be making the Max 2 more dependable overall. The leaked photos also show a small display under the lens, similar to the screen on the original Max, where users can see their shots, tweak settings, and review footage. While we don't yet know if this display will have any new features, GoPro might keep this handy tool and even upgrade it for a better experience. The original GoPro Max, launched in 2019, was well liked for its 6K 360 degrees video quality, but it had issues with overheating and low light performance. Since then, other brands have raised the bar with features like Insta360's 8K video at 60 frames per second. If GoPro wants the Max 2 to be competitive, it will need to match or beat this level of quality while fixing past issues, like heat control and low light performance. One of the most exciting rumors is that the Max 2 could be modular. This would mean users could swap parts or add accessories, making the camera more flexible for different needs. For instance, users might attach a larger lens for better low-light recording or add other accessories for improved sound or durability. As for the release, GoPro fans might have to wait until late 2024 or early 2025 to see the Max 2 officially. Until then, these leaks are building up a lot of anticipation. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.